Hello everybody, welcome back to E and T. I'm Ellie and this is and today I'm going to be playing Slither.io. So yeah. Sorry about that guys, we're gonna play again. Okay, let's go. Sorry if I'm really bad. It's only because I haven't played this in a while. And it's really glitchy, so there's literally no one in. I'm just getting longer and longer. Oh, there's something to eat there. Like, no one's around me. Like, oh no, oh no, I know. As soon as I say that, no! As soon as I say there's no one around me, someone comes and bites me. Ugh. Okay, right, let's try this again. Come on, come on. So I'll be back when it's loaded, guys. Sorry about that, guys. I had to secure my internet, but we're gonna play again. So you're faster when you're littler, but you're slower when you're big. So okay, and Tawny's about to film her video, so
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's also going to be on our new channel.
okay, I am back. I just got really long.
Killing this really big snake.
I'm also on Tawny's new video, so if you're wondering.
Holding a little rubber snake right now, aren't I, Ellie? Look.
Tawny, are you in the charts in Slither?
Charts?
Yeah. Are you in like the
No, because I just joined.
Oh, I just killed myself.
Okay, here we go. So I'm this random skin. My name is Hero T&E. Yeah. Ellie, who's at the top of your list?
Hanfaran Band.
Mine's Fatima Hassan Turkey.
Oh.
Every time you die, one of us dies, check what the top person is.
I just died. I just died.
Oh no! I'm blaming that on lag.
Right, Tawny, let's press play again at the same time.
Oh, I've already played.
Okay. Who's at the top?
Fatima Hassan Turkey.
Oh, you're still in the same game. Let me have a look at who's in mine. Oh, it's an advert. There's an advert! Sorry guys, I'll be back when the advert's got. Guys, I am back. The advert has stopped. And me and Tawny are both hoping this channel gets to 100 subscribers. I just killed myself.
Yeah, so we can go live and then you can join us on Slither.io. You can be in the video.
And we can try and be like together. So yeah, so hopefully we can get to 100 subscribers. We're not planning to do it this year because this year I know it's only at the beginning of the year, but I don't think we'll reach it this year. We might just randomly get famous and then gain loads of subscribers. Whoa.
Who's the top of your list?
NVL, we're proud of girls.
Mine's Slippery God. Come back, you sparkling little dot. Okay. I've been told that those dots lead you to the big snakes. But I don't really know. You kind of just. Here's another one. Let's see. Let's follow it.
I'm gonna play again. Sorry guys, I keep failing. It's because I'm not very good at this game.
Just gonna follow this dot and see if it takes me to the big snake.
I'll be back once it loads.
Oh my god, this.
Okay guys, this is gonna be my last round after this one. Because this video will get really long and I just really want to quickly just get into it.
Guys, I think I found the biggest snake. The biggest snake. There's a score of 65,000.
Sorry about
Hey,
this,
I'm lagging
guys. It's
really
really slow.
bad. I'm sorry about this lag, guys. I'm so sorry.
Yeah, that's what's happening to me. But guys, I'm probably going to end the video here. So thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Our goal for probably, should we say at the beginning of next year, is to get 100 subscribers. That's our main goal. So please like, subscribe, and we will probably see you tomorrow or the day after that or whenever. Bye.